Hi, my name is Naureen Khan of Naureen Khan Events. I live in London and I'm here to do the certificate in wedding planning. Absolutely wonderful. Siobhan's a wealth of knowledge and she's completed my knowledge in helping me get to where I need to be in order to start planning some wonderful weddings. It's the career I've always wanted to do, and other things have taken the forefront, and now it's the right time for me to do this. I think if you're going to be a wedding planner, it's a very in-person career. It's about how you deal with people and how you are with people and how you handle their information and their dreams. So it makes sense for it to be an in-person course. Absolutely fabulous. We saw some wonderful venues. I could see how Siobhan's liked within the industry because you could just see the rapport between her and the banqueting managers at all the places. We learned so much, and it really does bring to life this career as part of the course. You know, it really is so insightful.